Children, let us continue the chapter Triangle and its properties. Here we want to discuss about triangle and some of the properties related with each triangles. So these are the first 6 types of triangles. Let them acute triangle, obtuse triangle and right triangle, and another one equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. So these are the 6 main types. How we can define each one? Acute triangle, we know that a triangle is a closed figure using 3 line segments. That means it is a polygon using 3 line segments. Then acute triangle. So here can you see that all these angles are acute. That means all these 3 angles are acute. These type of triangles are called acute triangle. In a triangle, all the angles are acute. Then that type of triangles are called acute triangle. Then another one. What about this angle? This is obtuse. This angle is obtuse. So this triangle is obtuse triangle. One of the angle in a triangle is an obtuse angle. That type of triangle is called obtuse triangle. Then another one. It is a right triangle. Since one of the angle is 90 degree. That type of triangle is called the right triangle. That is acute triangle, all the 3 angles are acute. Obtuse triangle, one of the angle is an obtuse angle, and right triangle, one of the angle is 90 degree. Then equilateral triangle. If 3 sides, we know that in a triangle all these 3 sides are equal. This type of triangle are called equilateral triangle. Then isosceles. If only 2 sides are equal, this triangle is called isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle, all the 3 sides are different. So these are the main 6 types of triangle according to the angle and according to the sides. Topic: median and altitude of a triangle. So median, from this word we can define the median. That is, for a triangle, let it be PQR. Then draw a line segment from P to QR. That line segment intersect QR at a point X such that QX is equal to XR, or X is the midpoint of QR. PQR is a triangle, a line segment joining P and midpoint of QR. That means line segment from one vertex to the opposite side, where the side divides into 2 equal parts. Here PX is the line segment which divides QR into 2 equal parts, that is QX and XR. Another one more. Let us draw one more. That means from Q we can draw a line segment to PR. From Q we can draw line segment to PR. Let it be QY. Such that this divides PR into 2 equal parts. Then we can write PY is equal to YR. Then from R also we can draw, let it be set. That is R set. Such that PZ is equal to Q set. So these type of line segments are called median of a triangle. So we can define a median as the line segment joining one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Here PX and QY and RZ are the medians of this triangle PQR. So this is the main concept about median. How many medians for a triangle? There are 3 medians for a triangle. Then next we can go to the altitude of a triangle. For that, let us draw another triangle. Let it be XYZ. Then draw a perpendicular from one vertex to the opposite side. Let it be XP, where XP is perpendicular to YZ. XP is perpendicular to YZ. It may divides into equal parts or may not divides. It is not compulsory. In some triangles, median and altitude are equal. But the main concept of altitude is the perpendicular from one vertex to the opposite side. So here these two angles are 90 degree. Angle XPY and XPZ are 90 degree. This is an acute triangle. For an obtuse triangle, altitude from P to the line segment, that means the side QR. That is here, let it be A. Then we can draw this way only. That means this should be outside of the triangle PQR. That is, altitude of an obtuse triangle should be outside of the triangle. But for an acute triangle, altitude should be inside of the triangle. Then what about a right triangle? So here right triangle, we can say these two are altitude to each other. So if you are taking this as base, this should be altitude. And if you are taking this as base, this should be altitude. That means for a right triangle, altitude should be one of the side. For an obtuse triangle, altitude should be outside of the triangle. For an acute triangle, altitude should be inside of the triangle. Consider the triangle ABC. We can see 3 sides. Which are the 3 sides of a triangle? That is AB, side BC and side AC. These are the 3 sides of the triangle. And which are the vertices? A, B, C are the vertices. That is angle A, angle B and angle C are the vertices of this triangle ABC. Then here BC is opposite to angle A. The side BC is opposite to angle A. Side BC is opposite to angle A. Side AC is opposite to angle B. AC is opposite to angle B. Then side AB is opposite to angle C. So we can write sides and opposite angle. Which are the opposite angle? Opposite angle. Here let it be AB. Then angle opposite to AB is C. AB and the angle opposite to AB is C. That is angle C. And BC, angle opposite is angle A. AC, angle opposite is angle B. So if it is AB, the third vertex should be opposite. BC is the side, third vertex A is opposite. AC, the third vertex, angle B. So this is the way we can write side opposite to each angle and the reverse process also.